install some downpipes in the AMG GTS. Now this is from Frequency Intelligent. These are their 200 cell catted downpipes, and look how sick they look. That stainless is flawless. The welds are insane. Now something you guys might find interesting is you actually have to cut out the factory downpipes from the car. They don't come out. They don't fit. You got to cut them out. Here's Gabe having a good old time cutting them out. And guess what? He didn't lose a limb. You take the tops right out the top. The bottoms come out the bottom if that makes sense. The new ones slide right in. You match them up. They come in two pieces. Look how sick that looks, and it sounds so good.